Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The remaining video of edit surface. How to edit surface? Yesterday, from edit surface option, we completed the above 7 option. Now, the remaining 5 option in the second video we will complete today. First, if I click on the surface and I go to minimize plate areas, this option is for add high and low point to remove plate triangle faces by analyzing the surface and interpolating. So sometimes we have filling gaps, sweeping edges. Like this option you can do in your surface. If there is no, it will give you message no edge was swept, because there is no such thing in here, no point were added. If there is nothing, no need for plate and surface, then this command will give you message that there is no need. Already if I see my view, 3D view of the surface, already no need here. So the other option, smooth surface, it's also like raise lower surface. For raise and lower surfaces, we can move up and down our surfaces by adding elevation. First I will take some elevation on the surface. I will add different elevation and different parted. Now I will select surface and go to raise lower surface. With the no sign, I mean the surface will go above. If I add 1 meter, the elevation will change 1 meter above. Now before it was 662, now the elevation change 1 meter. Again, if I want to make down, to move down the surface, I will put minus sign and suppose -2. So -2 will make surface move down toward the downside. So now the elevation is 661, before it was 663. The smooth surface is also same, like you want to smooth your surface, simplify surface. It will edge correction, light point removal. It will solve this problem if there is any by itself. So if I click next, the percentage of point removal, and click finish, automatically it will adjust if there is any triangles like so. The most important thing is base surfaces, how to combine 2 or more surfaces in one surface. So I will click the surface, take copy from my existing surface. I will remove the border, then I will divide this surface into 3 different surfaces which are separated by each other. This option work when we have, suppose we want to calculate quantity for different surfaces together. So first I will make these contour to surface. I will create one surface for number 1, number 2, and similar like number 3, and then one for all surfaces from 1 to 3. So these are the contour lines, so I will create surface from contour. this surface 1. This is surface number 2. And surface number 3. Now I have different surfaces. If I select, it's separate. Each surface is separate and I can select separate. So if now if I want to combine these 3 surfaces into one surface, what will I do? In which surface I want to combine, I will click on the name, definition, then go to edit, right click on the edit and click on the paste surface. In the paste surfaces, I will select the name of surfaces which I want to combine in one. Press shift and then OK. Now if we will check, these surfaces are combined in one surface. If I select it, then all will select it together. If I want to change the properties of all surfaces will now change together. Now this acting like one surface. So this option is good for if you have different design level and one NGL surface. You can compute volume for all 3 or how many surfaces you have. You can compute volume for all together as one surface. So this was the today edit surface portion is finished today. Okay, thank you.